So we use economic order quantity when we try to manage inventory levels. And basically what this is when we run the formula, it should tell us the perfect amount of inventory to order. Every time we place an inventory order. So what this really means is that our carrying costs, so think of the cost that it takes to store the inventory in a warehouse. So that would be an example of the carrying costs, will equal your ordering costs. And those are the costs incurred when you place your orders and have them shipped. So the formula, so I'll just call this EOQ, so this is the square root of 2, and then you times that by your yearly unit sales. And then you multiply that by your ordering costs per order. And then you can go ahead and divide that by your carrying costs per unit. So it may look like a bit of an intimidating formula to run, but it isn't too bad. So let's go ahead and put an example to this. So let's pretend that we end up selling 2,000 units per year. And they cost $8 when we place the order, so for each order. And that's the cost per unit. And then they also have a unit carrying cost of 20 cents. Okay, so then I might just backtrack a little bit here. The $8 is for each order, not per unit. The carrying cost is associated per unit. So now we can go ahead and run the formula. So I'm going to take 2, multiply that by the 2,000 units, and then multiply that by my $8, which is my ordering costs, and then divide that by 20 cents per unit, which is my carrying costs. So then that becomes 2. Well, actually, if I multiply that out, if you go 2 times 2,000 times 8, that will give me 32,000, and then divide that by the 20 cents. So if you take the 32,000, divide that by the 20 cents, and then hit the square root button on your computer or on your calculator, and that will come out to 400 units. So basically it says every time we place an order, the ideal amount, so that's when our carrying and our ordering costs are the same, our ideal order quantity should be 400 units.